Hey YouTubers, welcome to Joe Ahead and Unbox It here. And so today, I'm going to review something which is the Universal Monsters Super 7 reaction figures that I did a video on before, like a year and a half ago on the Frankenstein. And today, we're going to look at the Hunchback of Notre Dame fully posable action figure. Well, I looked on Google when the release date on this was. The release date on this was January 20th, 2022, which was a year and a half ago as well. Well, the Hunchback of Notre Dame. I'm right. Well, as you know, I have not done a YouTube video on reaction figures or YouTube videos like a day or two, because I have been playing my guitar and doing my chores. I was really busy. I was too lazy to do a YouTube video. But now, let's jump into this figure. I like this nice artwork on here on this cardboard. Let's check out the figure. As you can see, he has a hunchback. His neck it looks very weird looking because I think he's staring at something. As you can see, he has one eye. He doesn't have one eye, not like a Cyclops, but I don't think he's not wearing an eye patch. He has one eye. I think the other one is closed. As you can see, they painted his hair in a reddish-brown color, like an orange, fiery red color. As you can see, the shirt right here is brown. They did an awesome job painting it in brown. And his pants in brown too. And his sleeves in brown. They're like cuffs, brown cuffs. They painted his shoes in a forest green color. And his shirt is a forest green color too. That's a nice color. As you can see, they painted his belt buckle in silver. You gotta be very careful painting this figure, but you can't rush it. You know? Let's check out the back. Collect them all, Super 7. As you can see, new Wave 3. As you can see, we have Creature from the Black Lagoon. Lon Chaney as the Hunchback of Notre Dame. The figure I'm reviewing right here today, which is right here, the Hunchback of Notre Dame. And I think we have Igor and Son of Frankenstein, and Andruth Bay from The Mummy, a character from The Mummy. I forget his name. I don't know how to pronounce it. And Wave 2, we have The Invisible Man, Lon Chaney as the Phantom of Opera, and Revenge of the Creature, Frankenstein. And we have The Bride of Frankenstein. I did a YouTube video on this figure in my other video. which is right here. I haven't hung him up on my wall. And Dracula. Wave 1, we have Dracula. Mummy. And we have, I think, this guy at the end, Red Death. And Mole. I think this guy is Mole People. And we have here is the Wolfman and Creature from the Black Lagoon. This toy came out in 2021. I think they made this action figure like in December of 2021. Super 7 store. I think that is online, if I would imagine, or look for it on super7.com. Made by Universal. The age is 14. I don't think he's feeling angry. I don't think he's feeling angry. And guys, this is not going to be an unboxing video. He's a collectible. You know, in some of my videos, I take stuff out of the box, and in some of my videos, I don't take stuff out of the box. In my videos, I look at opened action figure. I look at action figures out of the box and in the box. I have action figures that I have here. And guys, and that's it for this video. And don't forget to hit that bell to subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. And don't forget to like the video. And thank you for watching. Take care. See you again real soon.